your check here. Okay, so make it that condition should be relevant to apply that any CSS classes. Now here we can apply only one CSS classes. In above code also I can apply only one CSS. In that case, on the basis of condition, I apply only one CSS classes. But my requirement is that I have to apply multiple CSS classes at the time. So can we apply that multiple CSS classes? So yes, you can apply multiple CSS classes as well. For that, Angular provides one more attribute directive, that is a ngClass. It is a attribute directive. Okay, and that attribute directive you can apply multiple CSS classes. Okay, just I have to mention here, you can apply multiple CSS classes at the same time. Okay? If you want to apply multiple CSS classes, it requires to set that classes use a JSON object. You have to use a JSON object, and that JSON object we have to create in your component file. Okay, again, that ngClass you can apply any HTML tags. There is no any compulsion. You can only working on that one or two more tags. No, there is no any condition. You can apply any HTML tag. Okay. I can use a div tag and apply class binding. Apply class binding using ngClass attribute. Okay, so we use ngClass. How we can apply that? Syntax is the same. Use a property binding. In that, use the ngClass is a directive name. ngClass is a directive. It is an inbuilt directive, and you can bind a JSON object. So JSON obj. I create a simple JSON object. Now we can create that JSON obj. Okay, so what in your component file we can create as a property JSON obj equal to curly bracket. In that, again, JSON object we have to use a key and value format. So when we use a class binding to create a JSON object, your key name should be as a class name. Your key name is your CSS class name, and that CSS class name should be in single quote or double quote format. Means whatever you mentioned here key as your CSS class name, that should be in double quote or in single quote. Means you have to mention that is in the string format as a key name. Okay, there is a rule for apply a class binding. Okay, so here already we created the classes, danger, warning, success. So in that we use a success class here as a key. Now here also mention that success class. When we apply that success file, here you also make it as a condition as well. Okay, so that provision also given, means success clause apply on condition basis, you can use it the condition as well. So for that, I can to apply the condition, I created a new property is error, and that is error a type boolean. Initially it is true. Is error, it is a property. If it is true, that indicates there is an error. Okay, if that error is there, then success class will not be applied. Okay, because right now is error is true, means I don't apply that success class. So we can make it logic here, use a operator, use a not operator, that is as an exclamatory mark. Okay, and you can toggle that is error. Simply you can mention here this dot is error. Okay, So simple logic, on and off logic, we can use it. Most of the time you are using in your project as well, in your backend project as well, for the toggling purpose. So here we can use a toggle, means in that case, is error is true. So not of true is false, and that false, meaning of that false is success class will not be applied. That is the meaning. Okay. Second, we use one more class is a danger class. So here we can apply, and then sorry, it's not copied properly. Okay. So he can here mention the danger, and if error is there, then apply the danger class. So simply you can write this dot is error. That danger class will be applied. Okay. Clear this. I mentioned here condition, and also I'm mentioning here single quote. You can use single quote as well as double quote. Okay. You want to use anything, you can use it. So within that two class, only one class will be applied, because in that I mentioned here condition as well. Okay. Clear this thing logic, what I logic I here implemented.
Yes, Amit.
Okay. One more class is there. We can create the special class. Okay. That special class we can use it here. We can apply directly special. That special class I want to apply default app class. Means I want to apply default. I don't set any condition on this. So directly, if you want to apply this class by default, you can use here true. The true means your special class always apply. Whether the is error is true or false, it don't matter. It always apply your special class as well. Okay. Now that JSON object we bind here, check it whether it is applicable, apply or no. See here, apply class binding using ngClass attribute. Okay. Your text is also in uppercase. By default, it is error is true. So danger class is applied. Your font is also changed and your font size is also increased.